Offer up. Hey everybody, Dawaun Smith with Red Zone Realty here again. Thanks for stopping by. For my first timers, I welcome you and sincerely thank you for visiting. A quick nugget about me. I am a licensed real estate agent providing services to the greater Jacksonville, Florida area and its surrounding counties. I'm also a lifelong native of this wonderful city. Once you've locked down your pre-approval letter and real estate agent and found your dream home, the next step is the actual process of making an offer. Here's what you need to do once you've decided you're serious about a particular house. First, you want to strategize. Before you approach the seller, you need to decide how much to offer, what contingencies you want, and how much earnest money you'll deposit. Next, you'll make a formal offer. You'll submit a purchase agreement or contract that you and your real estate agent work on together. Finally, if necessary, you want to negotiate. Hopefully it won't come to this, but once the seller has received your offer, they can either accept it, reject it, or request changes. During this stage of the process, your agent will act as a go-between during negotiations. Let's break down each one of these piece by piece. The first step in making an offer on a home is to decide how much money you're willing to pay for the property. It's important to stay inside your budget, but you shouldn't just throw out a random number. You're looking for that sweet spot between getting the best possible price and not insulting the seller by making a lowball offer. Here are some things to consider before you choose a final price. It's possible that the seller might be more motivated to move if the home has been on the market for more than 2 to 3 months. Depending on the current market, you may want to consider offering a lower price if you're looking at a property that's been on sale for quite a while. Real estate agents are particularly useful in assessing the current market and housing costs. Your agent will complete a comparative market analysis which considers the most recent sales in the area in order to help you assess how the house you're interested in compares to what others sold for. Be sure to ask questions about recent sales that might not yet have gone to closing, which can help you decide if it's a seller's market, a buyer's market, or if it's transitioning from one to the other. Does the property need a lot of repairs? Keep the cost of these repairs in mind when you consider your total overall budget. When you prepare an offer, you may also want to ask the seller to make the repairs or other concessions. Consider the amount of competition for your dream home before deciding how much to offer. Bidding wars might seem intimidating, but you have the best shot at winning if you and your agent discuss how much other buyers are possibly offering for the house. If the seller has already accepted another offer on the house, you can use many of those same strategies to consider making a backup offer. You may have been pre-approved for a starting mortgage amount, but don't let that dictate how much you offer. Make sure you can live comfortably with the monthly mortgage payment, even if your lender says you can afford more. And don't offer your entire pre-approval amount, even if you feel you'll be able to comfortably afford it, because doing so leaves no room for negotiation or the potential for upgrades or repairs. Don't know how much to offer? Talk to your real estate agent. They won't tell you how much to offer, but they will let you know what they think a successful offer looks like. Contingencies are basically escape clauses in a sales contract that allow buyers to walk away from a sale with their earnest money, which is essentially a type of security deposit. Common contingencies include, but aren't limited to, the home inspection, appraisal, and financing. If you're buying a home and can pay cash for it, you will not need to include the financial contingency or the appraisal contingency, which is required by lenders to make sure that the property is worth at least the mortgage amount. Look, cash is king, and even if you are not buying a home with cash, you'll have to submit a good faith deposit, which is often referred to as earnest money or a binder. The earnest money requirement varies from market to market, but it's typically 1 to 2% of the total home price. That being said, the more money you offer, the better your offer looks in the eyes of the seller. This money will be held in an escrow account and later applied to your mortgage down payment. But you're probably wondering, if the money isn't going directly to the seller's pocket, why do larger earnest money payments matter? Good question, good point, good thought. The reason for that is because your ability to produce a large amount of cash sends a signal to the seller that you're serious and you have the assets to back it up. Hey, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment below and tell me what you like most or gain from this. Click on the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be alerted when a new weekly video comes out. Finally, if there's anything in the world I can do for you, please let me know. You can reach me at the email address listed below. Until next time, this is Dawaun Smith, your real estate lighthouse, wishing you all the best in your house hunting endeavor. Peace.